Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
Hello, DLS enthusiasts. In this video, I will explain how to get Legendary Division in DLS. To reach the top, you must consistently complete all division objectives within 15 games. Aim to win at least 10 out of 15 matches to ensure you top your league and secure promotion. Remember, upgrading your stadium is crucial as each new division requires a higher capacity. There are 8 divisions to conquer on your journey to legendary status. So let's get started. Building a formidable team is key to climbing the ranks. Focus on signing legendary players with high overall ratings to elevate your squad's performance. When starting, pick a lethal forward as your captain. This will give you a strong attacking edge. Don't hesitate to release unwanted players, as this provides valuable fitness coaches to heal injuries quickly. Remember to use coaches regularly to develop your players' technical and physical skills, making them even more dominant on the field. Mastering your in-game tactics is vital for consistent wins. Try experimenting with different formations to find the best approach against various opponents. Practice advanced moves like long shots and rainbow flicks. These can create unexpected scoring chances. Focus on delivering sneaky through passes to penetrate even the most organized defenses. Crucially, always ensure your starting 11 players are fully healed before each match to maintain peak performance and avoid unnecessary losses. Sustaining your success in DLS requires a strong mindset. Never play when you are exhausted or angry, as this often leads to poor decisions and losses. Instead, warm up with 2 or 3 career matches before diving into live games. If you find yourself losing 3 or more consecutive matches, take a break and return refreshed. Finally, consistently complete your daily and weekly challenges. These provide essential coins and gems to continuously improve your team and facilities.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.